Hello friends, today we will discuss questions on physical disability in education, which is very important for B.Ed, C.Tet, UGC NET, DSSB and KVS examinations. So first question is on physical disability. Which of the following is an example of a physical disability? A. Dyslexia, B. Cerebral palsy, C. Autism, D. ADHD. Answer is B. Cerebral palsy. Dyslexia and ADHD are learning behavioral disorders. Autism is developmental disability, but cerebral palsy affects body movement, making it a physical disability. Question number 2. The persons with disabilities, that is PWD acts is passed act is passed in which year? So options are 1992, 1995, 2005 and 2016. Answer is 1995. The PWD Act, that is physics, was the first legislation in India ensuring equal opportunities and rights for persons with disabilities, which was later replaced by the PWD Act 2016. The question number 3, the right of person with disabilities, the right RPWD Act 2000 recognize how many types of disabilities? A 7, B 12, C 21, D 25. Answer is 25. 21. Earlier, only 7 were recognized in 1995. The RPWD Act 2016 expanded the list to 21, including locomotor, visual, hearing, intellectual disabilities. Question number 4. Orthopedic impairment is related to bones, A. Bones, joints and muscles, B. Brain, C. Brain development, C. Speech and hearing, D. Visual perception. Answer is A. Bones, joints and muscles. Orthopedic impairment refers to functional limitations in movement caused by bone, joint, or muscle problems. Question number 5. The most appropriate teaching strategy for children with physical disability is A. Rote learning, B. Peer tutoring and assistive technology, C. Corporal punishment, D. Ignoring special needs. Answer is B. Peer tutoring and assistive technology. Collaborative learning, assistive devices and modified teaching support inclusion. Question number 6. Which of the following is a barrier to inclusive education for physically disabled students? A. Accessible classrooms. B. Attitudinal bias. C. Use of ICT tools. D. Peer support. Answer is B. Attitudinal bias. Negative attitudes of teacher or peers create major barriers for disabled students. Question number 7. Braille system is primarily used by a student with hearing impairment, B. Student with visual impairment, C. Student with orthopedic disability, and D. Student with intellectual disability. Answer is D. Students with visual impairment. Braille uses raised dots to represent letters, enabling blind students to read and write. Question number 8. Which organization runs Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA program for inclusive education? A. Ministry of Social Justice, B. Ministry of Education, C. Ministry of Health, D. UNESCO. Answer is B. Ministry of Education. SSA under the Ministry of Education promotes free and compulsory education for children with inclusion of disabled children also. Question number 9. The term in inclusive education means a separate school for disabled children. B. Education for only able-bodied students. C. Teaching all students together, including those with disabilities. D. Education only in special schools. Answer is C. Teaching all students together, including those with disabilities. Inclusive education promotes learning in mainstream school with equal participation. Question number 10. Which assistive device helps students with mobility impairment? A. Hearing aid, B. White cane, C. Wheelchair, D. Braille slate. Answer is C. Wheelchair. Wheelchairs enhance independent mobility for locomotor disabled students. Question number 11. The principle of universal design for learning, that is UDL, is based on A. One size fits all teaching, B. Provide multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression, C. Only technology-based learning. C. Only technology-based learning, D. Strict classroom rules. Answer is B. Providing multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression. UDL ensures flexible teaching strategies that cater to diverse learners, including those with disabilities. Question number 12. Which of this is a major challenge for physically disabled students in higher education? A. Online resources. B. Architectural barriers. C. Peer counseling. D. Availability of scholarship. Answer is architectural barriers, lack of ramps, elevators for higher classrooms. Question number 13. IDEA Act, Individual with Disability Education Act, is related to A. India, B. USA, C. UK, D. Canada. Answer is B. USA. The IDEA Act 1975, updated, ensures free and appropriate public education to students with disabilities in USA. Question number 14. Physical disability differs from learning disability because it affects academic skills directly. B. It affects mobility and physical functioning. C. It affects only memory. D. It cannot be managed by technology. Answer is B. It affects mobility and physical functioning. Learning disabilities affect processing of information, while physical disabilities affect body movement. Question number 15. Which of the following policies emphasize inclusive education for children with disabilities in India? A. NEP 1986, B. NPE 1968, C. NEP 2020, D. UGC 2020. Answer is C. NEP 2020. The new education policy 2020 stresses inclusive and equitable education with a special provision for children with disabilities. So that's all for today. Thank you.